Hi there. Last time I showed you the splicing welding process. This time I will show you the T-welding process. For 3 mm thick aluminum plates, our 2000 watts handheld laser welding machine can meet the welding needs. This machine is a new model which is equipped with a new generation of fiber laser, a self-developed wobble welding head. It is very flexible for welding various angles and positions. It has the advantages of simple operation, fast welding speed, high welding quality, slightly deformation, small heat effect area, pollution-free and environmental friendly. Next time I will show you the welding process of stainless steel. Looking forward to your long-term attention.